Comparing and ordering fractions. So first we need to look at what two terms are, two key vocab terms. One is like fractions. So like fractions are when fractions have the same denominator. In this case, like 1/8 and 5/8. They both have 8 in the denominator, so we say that they are like. Now, on the other hand, we say we have unlike fractions if our denominators are different. So here we have 2/3 and 1/2. Those are unlike. Or we can say these have like denominators and these have unlike denominators. So like means the word is same. Okay. So now we want to compare fractions. Is one fraction greater than, less than, or equal to another? So in this case, 1/8 and 5/8. Okay. We want to find out which one is greater or less than. Let's look at pictures first. Okay, so I am going to draw a circle, divide each one into 8 pieces. 1/8, I'm going to shade one pie piece in. 5/8, I am going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in this case, you can see I shaded in more of this one. So we know that 5/8 is greater than 1/8. So the rule is when you have like fractions, in other words, the denominators are the same, you simply compare the numerators. Whichever numerator is greater, that means that fraction is greater. When you have unlike fractions, meaning fractions with different denominators, we have to get the fractions with the same denominator. For now, what we are going to do is simply multiply the denominators together to figure out what our common denominator is. So our common denominator is 3 times 2. Okay, so that's 6. So what we need to now do is rewrite these fractions with 6 in the denominator. So in order to get from 2/3 to something over 6, okay, we get from 3 to 6 by multiplying by 2. So we're going to do the same thing to the numerator. Whatever we do to the denominator, we do to the numerator. So 2 times 2 is 4. Now we take 1/2. We want to get that into something over 6. 2, we need to multiply by 3 to get 6. So we're going to do the same thing with our numerator. So now we are comparing 4/6 and 3/6. So now we have like fractions. So we look at our numerators. And 4 is greater than 3, therefore 4/6 is greater than 3/6. Then we go back to our original problem and we do the same comparison. And that is how you compare and order fractions.